If you have tomatoes coming in from the garden and want to can them at home, this is the perfect video for you. Hi, I'm Shelly from Frugal Family Home, where I create quick tutorials to help build your cooking and baking confidence. And today I'm showing you how to can tomatoes in a few simple steps. The first step we need to do is to clean the tomatoes. Put them in a sink, rinse them off, give them a little scrub, and they're ready to go. Next, we're going to put an X at the blossom end of the tomato, and this will make it easier to peel them. We are going to simmer the prepared tomatoes for 30 to 60 seconds until the skins split to make it easier to peel. Once the skins are split, we'll remove them and put them in an ice bath to cool down the tomatoes so we can peel them. Now it's time to peel the tomatoes, and the tomato skin should slip off very easily all the way down the tomato, and then you just want to pull it off just like that. So now we're going to core the tomato, and if you're going to be leaving your tomatoes whole, you can just go right around the core in a circle and then pop it out just like that. And then you can leave them whole and can them, or you can cut them in half. I'm quartering mine today, so I'm going to quarter this one up. And if you're quartering your tomatoes like I am, you can go ahead and slice it into quarters and then just cut that little bit of core off the end. It's so simple and easy to do. So either way, whichever way you're coring your tomatoes will work. I just find when I'm quartering the tomatoes, this is an easier way. To a hot jar, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Then we're going to add our prepared tomatoes up to a 1/2 inch headspace. Once our jar is filled, we're going to go ahead and we're going to add some boiling water to it, just up to a 1/2 inch headspace, maybe just a little bit over. Next, we're going to take a rubber spatula or a plastic knife and work it around the edges of the jar to release any bubbles that have been caught down around the tomatoes. Then we're going to add a little water just to bring it back up to a 1/2 inch headspace, and then we're going to wipe the rim of the jar clean with a wet towel just to make sure we get any tomato debris off. And then we're going to add our lid, and our ring, and we're just going to tighten that down just a finger tight. Then we're just going to repeat that process for the rest of our jars, and as we finish each jar, we'll put it into the canner. Once all of our jars are filled in the canner, we're going to process them for the amount of time according to the altitude you're at. Now our jars are done processing, and we're going to let them sit on the counter for about 12 to 24 hours until they are cooled, and then we'll test to make sure they're sealed. Now that the jars are cooled, we're going to push on the top of the lid just to make sure the lid is sealed down and there's no popping when you push on them. Next, we're going to remove the ring, and then we're going to gently pick it up by the lid. And if the lid stays on and it's secure, then you know that it's sealed. And that is how you can tomatoes. And if you'd like to see the full written tutorial, look for the link in the description. And if you don't subscribe yet, we'd love to have you subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.